This orange is speaking to me in love languages here, by the way. But I guess the main attraction now. Suisei. This is the carrying case it should be coming with. I don't remember how the original carrying case was, simply because I got a prototype unit and it was just a standard Kibu case. If you guys don't know, the original Suisei, I should bring it out. I should go get it. I love it. Let me get you the original one and then show you guys how much I like the original. I use this for gaming. This is on my gaming rig. Oh, it is dirty from all my gamer gunk. Immaculate. I love this board. Oh. Okay, the blue and orange is doing something to me here. Again, the one thing I really like about the Suisei is the thinner bezels. I've been a big fan of thin bezels. I also really appreciate really thick bezels, but thinner bezels are very attractive to me. This orange is speaking to me in love languages here, by the way. Love languages. Like, I'm so into this color. You guys know I like orange. You guys already know I love orange. I have an orange cable. The alexotos Envoy has orange. Any noticeable differences? You know what? I should have asked Chung for differences, but I totally did not. I'm gonna be honest, I don't see any visual differences. I just literally think this is a round 2. This might seem higher because there's keycaps. I believe the big differences that I saw and spotted, I don't recall this being on the internal weight on the original one. And then the PCB also had some stuff changed to it too. Although the internal weight quality is not, like the outside's flawless. The internal weight I can see is not quite, I mean, it looks like it has like a brushed metal effect to it. Maybe that's the intentional thing there. But we'll take this all apart. Beautiful though. Love the case. I mean, that side profile is also gorgeous with that blue and orange. Oh, did someone say to put Firefly on this? That would be really nice. Ooh. There's that PCB. Very, very nice. Very cool. We are using Cherry MX Blacks today. We have the daughter board here, which we'll put to the side. I think these are just some screws. And then we have some TX tabs, which I'll just use the TX tabs. If we have a problem with them, I can just quickly swap them out. This year is the year for keyboards. After this year, I don't want to look at another keyboard. You'd be surprised. Sometimes I feel like that too, and I'm like, yeah, I want to take it easy. But then sometimes it just ends up being another great year for whatever hobby you're in, you know? Time to stick this in the keyboard. It is keyboard building time. Ooh la la. Put that there, and let's actually put the daughter board first. It's colored like that one outfit. So wait, is this done after an outfit? Again, I don't know too much about VTubers. Okay, you know what I'm gonna say that's really nice? I've been seeing this a lot with daughter boards lately. A lot of the daughter boards have been having the mouse bites on them, so usually I have to kind of trim them off, but it's kind of nice to not get one with them. So kudos to this. Very small little thing that I like. All right, screwed in over here. We're looking good. Now we can put this all together. Again, I still would like to see the internal weight be a bit more polished. It does have like a brushed look to it right now, which I'm not a fan of, but maybe you guys are a fan of. I don't know, I'm not a fan of it. There we go, perfect. Top 5 GMK sets? Oh man, Quest, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to answer that. That is a lot. There's a lot of sets. Also, what set am I putting on this? I think you guys said Firefly. Is that what we decided on that we want for this? Let's put Firefly on this. Oh, that's a great match. Ooh. Okay. I like the little peak of the orange on the bottom with the accent of Firefly. This looks pretty good. I'm satisfied with this. Here's the original R1 Suisei next to the R2. I don't think anything's changed. No, visually it looks like the exact same keyboard. So the original one has a palm plate, or a PC plate, I believe. Yep, PC plate with JWK MOS switches. Love the sound profile of this guy. Now we're using Cherry MX switches that are broken and lubed, and a PP plate. I know you guys like saying that word, so PP plate for this guy. Let's plug it in. Let's move this guy over here for a second. Take a little tour of the keyboard here. So in case you guys wanted to see, the original one's like silver and blue. So the silver accent. Gotta admit though, I think I do prefer the baby blue option, but the orange and blue is no slouch either. Pretty nice looking keyboard. Weight should be exactly the same on both of these guys. Exactly the same. Mine just has more fingerprints in it now. There's still baby blue and silver. Yes, there should still be a baby blue one. All right, though. Let's see how this sounds with this particular combination of things, shall we? A little HJ test for you guys. Oh my god, I like the spacebar on this way more already. Dude! Okay. I like the cherry switches in it more. But I like both of them. They both sound nice. Yeah, I like the cherry switches more. Very nice, dude. Juber, how are you doing? Good evening, Alex. I'm from the Mode team and hearing a lot about you. How you doing? Hello, my name's Alex. Day one of praying for Raffle W. Dude. Okay, I think I like this one here a little bit more. I think obviously both can eventually be the same sound profile if I built it the exact same way, but it is MX Blacks on PP plate. Yeah, I like the spacebar on this. It just has that nice, like, firm hit, you know? Nice. Very satisfied with this build. Very, very satisfied. Really like this, dude. PP plates work so well with PBT keycaps too. And this set complements it so nicely. I'll have to try it with PBT. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. Yeah, this set looks great on this today, man. I am so happy with today's build. How do you get a Suisei? The raffle will be via Discord, I believe. Yeah, the cable works with it so nice too, man. Come on. Yeah, we did well with theming today's build. Good job on picking Firefly, guys. Side profile check, please. There's that side profile. Very pretty. Extremely, extremely pretty. I really like the Suisei. Yeah, no, this sounds solid. Now, okay, I'm going to be honest. Is it worth $500 to you guys? I don't know how to answer that question. I think it's super solid for what it is, and I like the overall design of it. Like, it's simple enough to me. It has, like, a nice little weight on it, nice little, I guess, accent kind of color to the bottom as well that complements the top case, as well as a nice little cut curve kind of thing on the back over here to give it some more shape. Is it worth $500? Like, if you were not into Suisei, my honest answer would be, I don't know if it would be worth $500. It does sound phenomenal. Like, I love the way it sounds, and I do love, even not being a big Suisei fan myself, like, I don't really know who Suisei is outside of this board and knowing she's a VTuber. I do like the thin bezels on it. I do like the overall aesthetic of it. I still think if this was priced at $350 to $450, this would make a little bit more sense. However, I already know that because this has Suisei's kind of like, you know, theme going on, it's going to do well for the people who like Suisei and want a piece of something that has Suisei on it. It makes sense for that. Am I mad about that? No, not really. There are other boards, if you guys really want, that sound just as good in the 65 format that don't cost as much, like the Envoy. So I think this is for a specific group of people. But I don't know. I really like the Suisei. I think it's a nice looking keyboard. It's very, very nice. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh my God. I like the spacebar on this way more already.